This here is the analytics of one of my videos that have gotten about 5,000 views now. And if you look below, you see that this video keep getting suggested and recommended by YouTube on a daily basis. Once YouTube start recommending and suggesting your video, that's when your YouTube journey is going to become super easy. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys some uploading secrets that can help your channel to grow better and help YouTube to start pushing your videos better so that you can start getting much more views on your channel. If you have any question at the end of this video, kindly drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. The first secret to getting YouTube to start recommending and suggesting your video is your YouTube upload settings. So if your video is not getting any views at all, it's getting low views, then that means that you are probably uploading the wrong way on YouTube. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the correct way to upload to make YouTube to push your videos and give your videos much more view by suggesting it or recommending it. So let me say, for example, you are uploading your videos with the YouTube mobile app. Then that means that you are already doing things very wrong, because the YouTube mobile app do not have all the uploading settings that you need to get a lot of visibility. So if you are uploading with that app, then you are already doing it the wrong way, and your visibility is going to be very low, because that is not the right way to go. The correct way to upload to get all the uploading benefits is through your YouTube Studio dashboard. And in order to get here, you can get here with either your PC browser or with your mobile browser via desktop view mode. Then once you've gotten here, then you can proceed to upload a video through this section. So let me upload a video so I can show you guys everything that you need to do. So let me just upload this video real quick. Then I'll click on open. Now the first thing that you need to do is to add your title. So once you are done adding your title, then you move on to your description. This description, make sure that you fill the description with a lot of words that relate to your video. Like, make sure that you utilize this description fully, because YouTube, this description is like the metadata. They normally use this description to understand what your video is all about. So this description is actually one of the important things that YouTube used to understand what your video is all about. So make sure that when you are uploading your video, always make sure that you fully utilize the description section. It's very important. Then once you are done with that, just scroll down. Once you've gotten here, you are going to see the thumbnail section. Simply click on upload file to upload your thumbnail. And then once you do that, put your video in a playlist. You can see it's right here. If you don't have a playlist, then you can create a playlist by simply clicking on this button. You see new playlist. Always make sure that you are putting all your videos in their different playlists. It's very important. And then once you've done that, you are going to see this section that says you should choose your audience. So if you know that your video is the kind of animation kids videos and stuff like that, then you can say yes, it's made for kids. But if your video are not made for kids, then put it as no, it's not made for kids. Then you click on show more and keep scrolling down. You are going to see this altered content. So if your content is not altered, just place it on no. Then you are going to see automatic chapters. Normally, I would advise that you turn these automatic chapters off. It's always better that you put your chapters by yourself and you name your chapters by yourself, not the one that you allow YouTube to be doing it for you. So if you don't know how to manually put your chapters in your YouTube video through description, then I would suggest that you watch this video to learn on how to add automatic chapters on your YouTube videos. It's quite easy. I'm going to suggest that video at the end of this video so you can learn on how to do that. Then once you've done that, let's keep scrolling down. You are going to see the tags section. So this tag section, what you are going to be putting here are words, like searchable words that you know that people will be looking for when they are looking for your video. Like this video, for example, now is 5 apps that will increase views as a YouTuber. So let me say I want to add something in my tags now, like how to get more views. You simply add that, and then you add a comma, and then it's going to put it there. Then you can add more. So you can actually use 500 characters of word here. So just make sure that you're adding a lot of searchable words here, because it's actually one of the things that help YouTube to know what people are searching for, that they are going to match your videos to, so that your videos can get a lot of views. So make sure that you are putting a lot of searchable words in here on your tag section. And then once you've done that, scroll down. I normally turn my embedding off because I don't want people to put my video on a website and then I will start getting traffic. Then YouTube will now say it's invalid traffic, then they will punish my channel. So I normally turn this allow embedding off. Then once you've done that, you are going to get to this category section. So make sure that you are categorizing your video in the right section so that YouTube will know what category your video fall into, because YouTube won't put this category section here if it's not important. So normally, if you are like me that post YouTube tips or tutorial videos, just put it as how to and style. While if you are someone that do stuff like gaming content, put it in the gaming section. So just put your own, category there. If it's comedy also, you can put it in the comedy section. So just make sure to choose your category and then you move on from that. Once you are done with that, simply go to the video element section. So in here, you'll be able to add your end screen and add your cards. End screen has to do with those video suggestions that you normally see at the end of a video, while cards has to do with those suggestions that normally pop up while you're watching a video. So always make sure that you're using end screen and cards in all your videos, because this is actually a very good way to move your viewers from one video that is doing well to another video that is not doing well. So this is a very good way to move views, or rather move traffic to other videos. So once you've done that, move to the visibility section. So normally a lot of people, when they are uploading, they will just put it in public, and then once they click on publish, the video will just go public immediately. That's very, very bad, because you are not giving YouTube enough time to understand what your video is all about, or rather analyze the video. So the right way to go is to schedule your video. So you can see the section here. So you can either schedule your video for like maybe 10 hours, but as for me, I normally schedule my video for 24 hours. So you can see right here, you can schedule your video. So you can pick the date and you can pick the time that you want the video to go public. So that's how it's done. So once you schedule your video for some few hours, those hours, YouTube will use it to totally analyze your video data, understand what your video is all about. Then once your video has gone public, it's going to be very easy for YouTube to start showing that video to people, because YouTube have already understood what the video is all about, already know the right audience for the video. So that video will just start getting views immediately. So it's always better to schedule your videos. Let me show you guys this. You can see it, you can pick the dates, and also you can pick the time. So you can see that. So once you've done that, simply just click on schedule, and once you do that, the video will be scheduled, and the video is going to automatically go public at that exact time and date that you placed here. So it's very, very important. So make sure that you guys are using all this on your YouTube video, and you are going to start seeing better results. Now, the second trick that actually helps videos to do better is to rename your thumbnail file and your video file to match the title that you are about to use when uploading that video on YouTube. As you can see on my YouTube folder right now, you see that all the videos that I've ever uploaded on YouTube and all their titles, they are all here. And also the video file, if you are looking at look at this one now, you can see video, thumbnail, everything is carrying titles that are used on YouTube. So why this is important is because it's going to make YouTube to be able to like match what people are searching for with your videos easily. Like when people are searching for something, it's going to match with your video file or your thumbnail file, and then before you know it, YouTube will show it to those people, and then they will watch your video, thereby giving you views. So it's always important to do these things. So always make sure that you are applying this second trick on your channel before uploading the video on YouTube. Now, apart from all these uploading tricks, there are 6 important settings that you need to turn on your YouTube channel right now to increase your visibility. So simply watch this video next. I'm going to suggest the video at the end of this video so you can easily access it and watch it, so you can find out on those 6 settings, so you can apply it on your channel and start getting better results. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. And also at the end of this video, you might see some of my similar videos, or you might see some of my playlists, so you can also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.